Welcome back to the channel. I've been doing a small series on this Master Manufacturing broadcast sprayer that's meant for the back of an ATV or UTV. Basically something where this will mount in your bed, this spray bar hangs off and gives you like a 7-foot spray pattern out of the nozzles that are right here. If you haven't watched my other videos, it's probably the best purchase you can make price-wise and feature-wise for like $168, I think, 170 bucks. Shipped because it's on Amazon. You get 15-gallon tank, a 2.2-gallon pump, and it does 70 psi. You have the sprayer wand, so you can do spot spray. You have, again, the broadcast kit. It's got a good adjustable height, which is good for, if you got different height pieces of equipment or ATVs, and pretty simple to mount to your ATV. This is just would sit on your luggage rack and comes with a set of ratchet straps to tie it down. I don't have an ATV or UTV anymore, which is sad because I miss it. But I have a Craftsman old Craftsman dump trailer that's, I think, still the exact same style they made for eons. You can find them all over Facebook Marketplace and places like that for sale for pretty cheap. But there was one that was pretty rusty I saw for 50 bucks and all the way up to 150 something. So we're going to modify this to work on that, and it should be pretty simple because these bolts where this goes through, this bracket goes into these, it's got quite a few, and when I measured it out, it actually will be over here somewhere, so we'll drill a new hole, which isn't a big deal, and then I'll mount these right to the top rail, and then still open the back of the trailer, and I'll be able to take this out, take out the container, and use it as a dump trailer still. So let's go get that, and we'll show you where we're going. Alright, here's the idea. Basically to mount those brackets right to the edge of this, and it'll just hang off the back here and let me spray using this. If their brackets are here, I'll still be able to open this gate because it tips up and all the way over. And they stick out just far enough that I think I should be able to have them hang out, and they just clear the back and they spray outwards, and down. So what we're going to do is we'll take this off and we'll take the spray bar off this and see how the tank fits in here. No way, I'll tell you what, if you're gonna do this, this is the perfect kit, to buy, and the perfect tank to buy. It didn't even crush the sides, it just fit in there perfect. See, even there's a little bit of space on this side. You can't really see it. There's a little bit of gap on this side. It fits in there absolutely perfectly. And I'll be able to maybe I'll put something, maybe I'll put a hole or something in here, or maybe tack on just a little hoop to be able to strap this down, even though it probably won't go anywhere, because once you weigh it down, it fits in there perfect. The only thing is for the wand, you can only clip on the front clip because the wand's a little long and it wants to hit the back here. But I also have a 3D printer, and maybe I'll 3D print a couple of these pieces and then bolt them to this and snap it right on the front of the trailer. And then these can be always connected to the trailer. All right, well, that fits perfect. I'll have to take it out, take them feet off. We're gonna see how they fit on here. All right, there's the plan. Drill those right there, and that'll give the little bit of offset for that to stick out the back. I can actually get them a little closer, you know, a little bit farther sticking out, but they don't sit there and then when they fall off. So we get those marked up and get a drill in there. If you're gonna mark on anything dark and even any steel really, these Sharpie silver markers are the best thing ever. All right, line it up right there with the edge of that post. Still clear for that door. Awesome. Next step, the boom. Okay, that looks like it's gonna work perfect. I'm gonna just put these on here and bolt them down. It's good to go and still have the height. So to mark these, I'm gonna flip this upside down. Okay. And now we got our drill holes that we can punch through the other way. Mount this on, and I don't know, but let's see. The only thing is I'll have to rotate this T upwards. It may not be long enough to make it to the tank. I got these holes drilled out where they're supposed to go, and I did twist this hose so it's facing straight up. Let's see how these go. There we go. And that works pretty good so far. We got a good spray pattern. The height is adjustable. We're not really banging on anything here. Got some space. I'm not sure, I have to look up the height to see what these are supposed to be at, and then we'll go from there. Let's get that tank and see if it fits in there good. All right, there we go. She's all zip tied back up. I've got a little bit of extra hose here, but right now it's just ahead of the rear wheel, so I could slide this forward a little bit. I do want to, regardless, give myself a little room because I want to put in the corner just a couple of loops here down on the ground so I can strap this down just so it doesn't slide anywhere. But for right now, that seems like it's perfect. I now have the trailer sprayer. Still don't lose the functionality of my trailer, and I can spray whatever I need to and not have to worry about paying $300 for a unit that has slightly less specs. You know, then again, like I said before, one of my other videos is, you know, we'll see how good the pump is and how good the quality is, but I really haven't seen too many people complain about it. Now we'll, as soon as this rain stops, we'll get some in-action videos of see kind of how it sprays and if I need to raise these up, which I can do. You know, we've got a bunch of space to raise them up, and they do spray out and down, so I'm not sure how to adjust the spray height. I think it will just go up until, you know, they don't overlap too much. But that's how you can turn your little Craftsman garden trailer into a sprayer.